Let me make an analogy that everybody on this webinar can understand. Would you or would you not trust an HVAC company? I'm just using that just as an example. That said that they were also the best electricians. They were also the best plumbers. They were also the best drywall company. They were also the best gutter cleaners. They were also the best landscapers. They were also the best. I could just keep on going. Absolutely not, because that's impossible. And anybody that does those trades knows for a fact that you cannot have one company that's going to be great at all of those things. It is not possible. So I do want you to hear me say the same is true when you're looking at a technology platform. It is not possible to have a great scheduling program and a great ticketing program and a great estimating and invoicing program and a great marketing automation tool and a great CRM. And I could just keep on going. It's not possible. Now, what is possible, and I won't go too deep into this because I know we're going to touch on this a little bit later, but I'm a consumer of field services and folks as well, right? We all are. I find people who are great, and then I usually ask them, who else is great? So I'll give you an example. Love my electrician. He was doing some work on my house. I'd not found a plumber that I really, really loved and trusted. Asked my electrician, who do you know is awesome in plumbing? And he shoots me a picture of a business card. And he goes, we've been on a lot of same projects together. I've seen this guy's work. I do not know him personally, but I know his work. And his work is superb, right? That is now my plumber. He's in my phone as plumber. I don't know his name to this day, but he's my guy, right? And I bring him out. And I've done the same with others, right? So you know when you see exceptional skill and you essentially, as a consumer, at least I do as a consumer, I collect the people that I find to be exceptional. And as long as they work really well together, which they do, because they're on other jobs, then like that's my team, right? And so just know that, and as I kind of pivot into like, what am I seeing out there and where am I seeing things going? What I see is I see somebody who solves a problem that's very specific to field service is an industry. Scheduling is usually one of them. Dispatch or routing is usually one of them. Or, how to do it, whatever. And somebody will get like a cool little gimmick on that one thing. And then they go to their dev team or whatever, like, hey, I need to be a bunch of other things too. Can you guys throw something together so that it looks good on the brochure? And then it demos well. Right? Anybody can put on a show, right? Anybody can kind of put on a show and go through a demo, but can it survive out in the field? Can it survive? Like, is it going to be there? And so I guess that's my long-winded way of saying just you are right to distrust anybody that says they're great at everything. It's not how it works. It's not how it works in your industries, and it's not how it works in our industry.